Do we say it?
Yep, go.
We heard a noise. We're going to check it out. We heard a noise. We're going to check it out.
Okay, get the door.
Okay.
Trin, get the door. Oh, no, get right behind Mama. Trini, let her get behind me.
Let me hold your hand.
Come on, girls.
Okay, you don't want me to hold on to Mommy's dress.
Do you see anything? Oh, come on, Lizzie.
No, it's just
Nothing
Batman.
over there?
Just Batman scared me.
Just Batman scared you?
It looked like someone was sitting.
Come on, Lizzie. There's Dante.
He's a boy.
Trini, come on. We're going up the stairs. Trinity, be careful. Okay, you can stay right there if you want, okay?
I'm scared too. Scary. Because when I was playing Granny, I died when I was walking down the stairs, so it's scary even walking up the stairs. Hello? Hello? I don't want to go in there. The bathroom's scary. Hello? 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 Ow. What is that? Is it Camille's toe?
Look behind the door.
I don't want to check.
Trinity, look.
I don't want to. I don't want to. You.
Trinity, open the door and look.
Is there anyone?
Is everybody in there?
No, I don't see anyone.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay, Lizzie, you can stay in there if you want.
Why
okay?
is the fan on?
The AC. Come on.
It's getting colder, Mommy. It's getting colder. I wanna. I'm too scared. Is someone in there stuffed in? Oh, I'm scared. Hello? This AC is resting. Hi.
No, not in here. We didn't find nothing in here.
Oh, wait. Really?
Okay, let's
Wait,
go.
under the blankets?
Let's go check in the girls' room.
Oh, that's probably where they are in my closet. Behind my door.
Go on, check.
Or they either downstairs. They could be behind us.
Lizzie, are you gonna go in the room or are you gonna stay out here?
I'll stay out here with you.
I gotta go in with Trin.
No.
I'll be right back. Just stay right there.
Hello? Wait.
Oh.
If you're under there, I found you. If you're under the bed, I found you because the gray blanket was right there. So I found you. If you're Daddy or Ethan. I hear something.
I do too.
Ethan.
Trinity, feel if that's a person.
That is.
What if it's not?
Hey, if you.
What? Oh my goodness.
That's why I needed this.
Oh, I thought it was a ghost.
Help me, I'm sweating to death.
Help me. Come on, we gotta go see what this noise is.
It's downstairs.
Come on.
Lizzie, come with me. I have a blue light.
Come on, Trinity.
Okay.
Let's go check this out.
Because we're the bravest.
Down the stairs we go.
Hello?
Oh, shh, I got you. I got you.
Oh, okay. There's no you, baby. I'm scared. Why is my skateboard right there? I knew. I was like, I'm finding clues because I knew Ethan was upstairs under my bed. And the blanket was like, it was near my door. But then